Today, I wanted to make a video showing you how the tutor segmentation feature works, or group segmentation. For this first part, you're going to need to go to User Administration, select Admin Functions View, and click on Group Management. Here, we're going to have to create the groups that we're going to be working with today. So, for this example, we're going to say we want TRIO students to be able to find General Ed tutors and TRIO tutors. You can see these groups are already made, so to add, you'll just click to Add Existing User here. Same with TRIO students, and same with TRIO tutors. If you have a list bigger than 10, please make sure to contact your hero as they can mass upload. Once you're finished creating these groups, you're going to click on this Tutoring tab. Under Select Tutoring View, go to Tutoring Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see Tutor Access. So here, we'll see that to create a new group, you'll click on Add Additional Group Access. So again, for the student group, we're going to click on TRIO Students. For the tutoring groups, we want them to see General Ed and TRIO. So we're going to click on General Ed and TRIO Tutors. Save changes, and just like that, your groups are segmented. Now the TRIO students can only see General Ed tutors and TRIO tutors. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.